Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting coding challenge. Today we'll be tackling a problem called sum of pairs, and this is from Codewars. We'll be using JavaScript to solve it. It's really a great exercise to sharpen your problem solving skills and just your JavaScript knowledge. I mean, this could be any other language. With no further ado, let's get right into it. Let's have a look at the problem statement and have a good understanding of what we need to do. So at this point, we are given a list of integers and a single sum value. We need to return two values in order of appearance, and these values adds up to form the sum. So this is quite an interesting challenge, because if you think of, we're dealing with negative number and we're dealing with duplicates. So how do you solve it? Also keeping in mind that interesting part of how do you deal with negative number and duplicates. So let's take a look at the example. We have, for instance, the array that makes up 11, 3, 7, and 5. Our sum value is 10. So the pair that satisfies the condition in this case is the 3 and 7, as they appear consecutively in the array. So the expected result becomes 3 and 7. This is quite interesting. Okay, so now let's jump right into the code and see how we can solve this step by step. So we are given an initial function which is sum pairs, and this function returns an array or undefined. What we need to do is fill in a logic that basically finds the pair of numbers that adds up to the given sum. So how do we do that? I think one of the first things we want to do is create a store. Okay, so let's create a store here where we can store our set. So create a store. With this, what we want to do is initialize a variable that we're going to call scene numbers. So our scene numbers, which will be equal to the new set method. Okay, so with that, we are storing our visited numbers. What we need to do is create a loop and iterate through the given list. So we can do that by, let's do that, and then say we will do this loop through int list. And then with that, we can use a for loop to loop through. What we're gonna loop through is, let's do it. And first thing we want to do in our loop, we want to be able to calculate the difference between the targeted sum and our current number in a loop. So how we do that is actually, we can initialize here. Let's call it target difference. Target difference, and this will be our sum minus our number. Okay, then let's think. Then we can check if the calculated difference exists in the set. How do we do that? We can do let's do this. Let's go this. Let's do check if the calculated difference exists, and then we can go about that by writing an if statement that basically checks if scene numbers dot has target difference. Let's just copy it. I hate typing, but I wish I was a little faster than that. Target difference, and then we can return. Just think, we can return if it does. We can return an array that contains the pair in here. So how do we do that? We can actually just do return. Let's do target. Actually, I have a couple target difference. And our number. Let's do that. Okay, cool. Yeah. And then what we could do is we could actually add a current number to the set for future reference. Yeah, we could do that. So we could do scene numbers dot add, and then we add a link. So if we add a link, then we can change this to return define equals if it is not paid. It just needs to return undefined. So that's pretty much it. I think let's give it a test and see how we do with this. Not sure where I went wrong, but let's have a look. I'm not sure. If you spot the mistake, and please do put it down in the comment below. But yeah, I'm gonna try and have a look at this. So I think I might have an idea, and I think it should be you sit. Let's try that again. There we go. And there you have it, the solution to Sum of Pays coding challenge. Problems like this not only help you improve your coding skills, but also enhance your problem-solving mindset. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.